Welcome, welcome. My name is Nicola. I'm the owner of NB Office Assist. And as the name says, I assist in the office. So as a virtual assistant, I'm bringing you, the small business owner that's struggling, all the tech tips and business tips, emails, Xero, Canva, graphic design, to you via YouTube in easy, bite-sized, really small snippets. This is my passion to support small business owners, you guys that are struggling, that are consulting YouTube in the wee hours in the morning trying to find a solution to what should be a simple issue. It's an easy fix from my end, and I'm hoping that it's going to be a big fix or a big bonus for you guys. Have a scroll through my videos, follow me on my socials. If YouTube isn't your thing, everything's going to be shared over there as well. Let's get into our videos. Hey, welcome. Today's video, we're inside Xero, and we're in the demo company. So as a Xero user, everyone has access to their Xero demo company, which is a fully working sort of, as it says, demo company. Today we're going to look at the new invoicing. Now Xero in its infinite wisdom have decided to discontinue the classic invoicing in September of 2024. Now that seems like a long way off, but it'll come around quick enough when you use Xero every day. So we're going to start talking about some new features that are attached to the new invoicing. So let's go and create an invoice. So we're going to go new and invoice, and it will automatically default to the new format. So in case you guys aren't using the new format, we'll switch back to classic just for a quick squiz so you can see obviously how it looks. So here we are. So as you can see here, there's a notice saying that it's going to be retired, which means it's going forever, which is a bit scary, but anyhow. So I have a lot of clients that use this classic invoicing and they love it and they're used to it, and that's fair enough. But one of the biggest downfalls about the classic invoicing is that it doesn't auto-save. You have to save it all the time and then it exits out and you've got to go back into it from a draft, and it's just a complete pain in the ass. So we're going to talk about a couple of the new features today quickly in new Xero. We'll just close that out. Okay, so one of the biggest things is that you'll see down the bottom here, I'll move myself over here, is that it automatically saves. Now, one caveat to that is that you have to put in your company, so who you're going to be invoicing. So let's just go for David Jones. And once you make a change to your invoice, and let's just say we're going to make the invoice for tomorrow, so you can see up the top here it says saving. So if something happened, if you went online or you accidentally closed down the browser, you don't have to go save and close. This will automatically be in a draft, as it says here, which is brilliant. But one of the features I want to show you guys today quickly is a very cool feature, particularly if you're a products-based business or you're supplying physical goods. So in here we're going to say that we're going to be selling some golf balls, and we've sold 100 of them. Happy days. And it's $5.60. It defaultly goes to sales, so whatever code you're using, GST, etc., etc. So here's your invoice in all its glory. You could attach any documents that you wanted to, like normal, and your invoice is ready to go. So packing slips have always been a bit of a drama with Xero. They just don't exist. But in the new invoicing, they now do. So what you can do is go from the drop-down menu, just approve. So we're just going to approve it. We're not going to approve an email. We're just going to go approve. And here is your invoice as your invoice. And you would normally send it off to your customer, or it will be approved by someone else on the team, however you're doing it. But a new feature, if you've got products and you want to create a packing slip from the PDF print PDF here now, you've got invoice and you've got packing slip. Yay, happy days. So if you've got a team or you want to just put in a packing slip, you click on the packing slip and Xero will automatically open up a new tab, and everything will obviously be generated based on your invoice template and how you've got it set up. But what it's doing is giving you the ability to put a packing slip in with your goods. So we've got golf balls, white single, please reorder with code, blah, blah, blah. And this is how many you're getting. That's all the details that are on there. So like a traditional packing slip is. So yeah, if you're shipping goods and you want to print this out and put it in your box or put it in with your goods, everything that's being shipped, this is a really nice new feature that comes with the new invoicing side of things. So yeah, hope that's helpful. Packing slips. Yay!